Up everybody, welcome to this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Brawlhalla app or Brawlhalla mobile this problem or these problems. So let's start. What you need to do, just open your settings of your device, open your settings of your phone and search for the game and click on it when you find it. Here you will see this list, open storage. Just click clear cache only. Be careful, don't click clear data and back. Click right now for stop and click here OK. Right now open your battery and you have to make it on optimized mode. Right now guys, you have to turn on your airplane mode and turn off it. After this, go to Play Store or App Store, search for Brawlhalla mobile. If you found here the update, you need to update it. And right now the last step, just you need to restart your phone and then your problem will be solved. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and bye.